Okay, hello everyone. Today we have a Fender Acoustics mc-1 coming in for a reglue for the bridge. So over time, sometimes the glue will degrade and it will pop out. Even if it's not prepped properly during the first reglue, it will eventually give way. This is pretty standard stuff. Sometimes it does happen to your acoustic guitar. In this case, this is a classical guitar. Other than that, this guitar also received a standard setup together with a new pack of strings from Adario. So enjoy the whole video. I see you at the end of the video. Bye. Okay, so we have Fender Acoustics mc-1 came in with the bridge flung out. So I cleaned, re-glued and reclamped it, left it for a few days. These are on new strings, the Adario classical strings. Other than that, here's the test. Sounds pretty good. Okay, thank you. I see you soon. Bye. Okay, that's all folks. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Other than that, if you want to contact me, 841-89951, drop me a WhatsApp. I see you soon. Bye.